During the Atlas operation, there was an underground because they utilized the pre-war underground mining in 1994. Masbate Gold operation was closed down because of the metal price. In 2000, Tesal Mining came. They made some attempt. It was so discouraging because very low. So no companies can operate a mining company. That's why it was transferred to another entity until the CGA, the Central Gold Asia, came.
Personally, I am not in favor of mining. But before we came, mining was already there. And if you want to develop, if you want to progress, you cannot do otherwise but do something about the resources that are hidden deep on the earth. And of course, mining is the way to do that.
Since we started the operation, yung pre-development until yung operating namin, almost mga 260 to 280 permits na yan, both long-term and short-term. Yung mga conditions, terms and conditions na yan, we put it in our computer database, yun ang itinatrack namin.
SDMP is the primary driver of socio-economic development in the host barangays of the Masbate Gold Project.
Patawag kami sa Department sa Agriculture sa Aroroy para po mag-training sa Barangay Tinago. So nakaaram kami pag pisi, kag pag-looming, paghimo sa doormat. Pareho po sa nina finished product namon nga looming. An amon proyekto na tapos gina-deliver namon sa Pelmenera.
Benefits ng barangay, itong Social Development and Management Program.
The continued implementation of the SDMP and CSR will further improve the living conditions of the people in the 8 host communities and the 3 neighboring barangays comprising the municipality of Aroroy.
It's already 4 years that we have built that hospital, and it is meant to serve the people of Masbate. We have asked the help of the gold mine and more than willing to share to us. They have given us and all these other small apparatus, 10 million worth of medical equipment.
Yung Aroroy noon, simpleng bayan. Walang maraming product, walang alam sa ginto. Ang kabuhayan nila is dagat at saka farming.
Nakabulig sa amon ang SDMP. Didi sa nina among farm, ginatagaan kami sa mga seeds, tapos inatagaan kami sa training, damon inahatag sa amon na bulig. Inatagang kami sa buwa nga para panarado, kaya nabubuligan kami sa SDMP.
Yung tinitirahan namin noon, ginawa ngayon na tailings fund, kaya naano kami dito, napunta kami, 22 may na pamilya, binigyan kami ng 1 hektar.
Doon nagsimula ang pagbabago ng Aroroy. Malaking bagay yung Social Development Fund. Makikita natin ang development dun sa aming mga barangay na talagang napakalaki.
Like Poro, before the market is just along the road. Now, they have a very good market. Their barangay hall before is only like a shanty. Now, it's just like a municipal hall. The roads before here, very rough, dust. You can see the national road is paved, concreted. Even the barangay road and the 8 impact barangay are all concreted. So that is sign of progress. Education is #1 livelihood. A livelihood that is sustainable. A scholarship, plenty of scholarship. Is 1,000 now.
Napakalaking tulong po nito kasi 5 po kami na anak din. Yung mother ko lang po yung may trabaho, ang father ko po wala. Until now, hindi pa din naman talaga kami binibitawan ng MGP. Kung mawawala bigla yung company, sa tingin ko maraming students ngayon ang hindi talaga maipupursue yung education nila.
We thank the Masbate Gold for donating to us the Andres Soriano Jr. Memorial School.
Nag-umpisa kami, tumatanggap lang ang Barangay Paniki ng nasa 4 million plus. Pero ngayon, 2014, 14 million na.
Ang operation ng NGP, sa maganda, bumabayad sila ng tax.
They are putting the taxes into a right direction.
The provincial coffers that we receive from the out of the excise taxes, the real property taxes, these are the usual taxes that we have, and regulatory taxes based on the mining law.
Total of 4.5 billion pesos tax and other government fees were paid by the Masbate Gold Project for the first 6 years.
Because of the development, the construction that they're doing now, you can see the progress of buildings, this infrastructure.
Kaya yung SDMP namin is doon na focus lahat sa pagpapagawa ng simbahan, scholarship, sa health, sa mga teacher, mga school building, pati concreting, doon kami pumukus ngayon. At ito lahat nakikita ng pag-asenso ng barangay namin galing sa SDMP.
Because the Masbate Gold Project is the #1 taxpayer in Region 5.
Mining and the milling people, the processing people, we work hand in hand. We work close together so that we will be able to get the best or the most out of the minerals. The metallurgist giving us the right information, we will be able to deliver the right blend of ore that they're going to process in such a way that it will increase or improve the recovery.
Ang policy ng company para sa environmental protection is paano ba nating mababalanse ang economic development at saka ang environmental protection. Gusto nating proteksyonan lahat, air, water, land, kahit na human resources. Pagdating natin sa environment, yun yung halos ating pinag-concentrate ang how we could protect them. Yung silt, hindi namin siya pinababayaan na pumunta sa ilog kasi pag pumunta sa ilog, dadalhin sa dagat. At tinitingnan pa rin namin habang tumatagal yung monitoring namin how to improve yung aming pagmamonitor na ginagawa. Kailangan magkaroon kami ng environmental protection enhancement program.
With the government requirement or no requirement, the MGP strives hard to be able to protect the environment and the community around us.
Nag-umpisa kami ng massive mangrove reforestation ng 2012 hanggang ngayon. So actually, nung una, 4 na barangay lang yung aming kinonsider do, o Fisher Pox o coastal barangays. Itong year na to, dinagdagan namin siya. Pumunta na rin kami sa kabilang area ng Port Barrera. 4 barangays din yung aming kinonsider doon. So lahat yan, meron kaming mangrove reforestation project sa kanila.
We are now improving our safe working procedures into ISO 1401 to be compliant to what is required by the government.
We have no police for safety. But now, all the employees are police, a safety officer to oversee all the safety of the people. We have the capability, the technical capability of a person to manage, from the managers down to the laborers. They are expertise on the field. That's why we are very efficient.
Nagsimula talaga yung pinakauna yung ama ko at last pa nun. Simula talaga sa baba. Siya talaga nagsasabi na maging engineer kami. Sumakto na rin na naging hilig rin namin maging engineer. 5 kami, lahat lalaki. Pinakapanganay, isa siyang civil engineer. Nagtatrabaho ngayon sa Comrel. dito rin sa MGP. Pangalawa, isang chemical engineer. Ngayon, isa ng superintendent sa environment. Pangatlo, isang geothermal engineer at nagtatrabaho sa isa ring mining company sa Surigao. Ang second to the last, isang varsity player, graduate sa San Beda sa football. At ako yung mechanical engineer. Pangarap ko talaga naging mechanical engineer ako. Sabi ko, sana maging magaling ako. Sigurado magagawa yun ng MGP sa akin.
As of now, our people are being trained to it. Our operators are being trained on how they deal with their equipment and how they do the works. By doing what we think is safe, using the high-end technology, also in giving them the right proper tools to do the work and the proper equipment.
Mining is distraction, but that is only temporary because by the time that we disturb, we rehabilitate, we see to it that when we restore it, people, they can go there. It's much better than the previous scenery. We will not allow that there are areas in our property that are unsafe. We care for the community.
Bakit nga ba namin ginagamit ang COCOMATS? Siyempre, yung erosion control, unang-una namin ginagawa yan. Pagkatapos namin mailagay yung COCOMATS, doon namin ilalagay yung mga seedlings namin ng trees. In between, lalagyan din namin yan ng mga grasses. Mabilis yung kanyang revegetation para unang-una makaiwas tayo sa erosion. Di ba mas magandang tingnan pag green? Mining responsibly, hindi lang mining responsibly para sa community, pero yung responsibility rin namin para proteksyonan o alagaan yung aming ginagalawan o yung aming areas na minimina.
Nagbibigay ang MGP ng pondo para sa practice.